mixed up right. That's why mine's still original. Mixed up right.
Yeah. This one here. Where did you park? I'm on the other side of these trusses.
Yeah, smaller building.
That reminds me of my okay. I've been in that plant.
We're back out at the Nashville Super Speedway for Cars and Coffee every month, the Nashville Cars and Coffee. Let's get into this video. If you're into this type of stuff, please consider hitting the like button, subscribing. It means the world to me, helps me go to these events, into the event.
Piece right here, mates between the transmission. Around here, I can tell you.
No, I did not. I'm from Buffalo, New York.
Are you?
Yeah.
Originally.
There you go. So.
Yeah, you're no journey. Yeah, we've been down there. Last year, bought. He bought.
Yeah.
Yeah, their sales are up 20% this year, which is good. Although not
That's it. That's pretty cool though.
As you can see, if you're new to the videos of the Nashville Super Speedway, this event brings a lot of different vehicles. It's just all about the customization and the love for vehicles. We'll see everything from exotics to hot rods to imports. You name it, it's here at the Nashville Cars and Coffee. It's a little slow today. I think the weather's kind of scaring people off. It looks like it's going to rain. There's a chance of rain. It's usually very, very packed. If you guys are new to the channel, we go to car shows around Tennessee, Kentucky, Alabama, and we'll be expanding quite soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you turn the subscribe button on and the bell. Hit the bell. Get notified when we post. We're headed to the Redneck Rumble next weekend. If you're not familiar with it, check it out. We have some videos in the car show playlist. It'll be located here in Lebanon, Tennessee.
What year is the body?
76.
76. Well,
Yeah.
75. 75. Oh, now you got Charles thinking.
That's cool. Always a story behind it. LS3 into this Miata. We will be headed to LS Fastmo Party, Southeastern Truck Nationals. There's a lot of events coming up, so stay tuned to our Instagram and Facebook, and you'll see where we're going. We usually post a couple days ahead, promote the events a little bit, sometimes weeks to months. So that's the best way to stay notified where we are.
Pull the ECU is on the other side of the firewall. So you pull that out, disconnect the coolant and stuff, and then basically. I don't know much about it.
My truck starts to feel the sunburn.
Those cars interest me the most. Yeah.
Right-hand drive Mini.
I know. What do you think about that? Yeah, Bubba. That's sexy.
That was something we can look at.
Wanna come with me? I just want to look. If I like one, I'll get one. If I don't care.
I got 2 turtles. Eventually, I'm loving
Actually, not hard, man. Both of us will be hard.
wide, you can probably get, truck you can get about 20. Wide, it's probably around the same. The 3, I think the long range 3.
Well, guys, what do you think of the June Nashville Cars and Coffee? Another great event. Check out video on the left and the right. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. We're coming back with car show content every week for you guys. We're putting in a lot this year to make the channel the best for you guys. We'll see you around.